Kublai pi baro pyepe yak RiKhasi channel bang yuan lam shpiya ka thup Khubor jangkani ka Taiew minta ki mat ki bakongsan shisnam saubanai omla ban pin biang lut ya ki jingdan kam ki pat ba ong uba pinjat job kaseng NPP na Raja Bala constituency shimsmai ki laingut ki MLA ki badang shu job hakani ka election shiteng samoy ka khirnit ka bahin rio jong ka riti sinchar kari India kalayada ya ki red pat pinpa u CEM Diaw ka NHYF battery torti u kontraktor ya ka surok PMGSY hamau care. IT u bat lakmen rimbui ya ka notification ban ito ya ka Ribhoy College kum ka People's College Grant and Aid Scheme. Online ruai ka kinhon somersault shari Europe. Ra ka St. Paul Higher Secondary School ya ka nam lado ha ka Ways to Art exhibition. Wanra nam usamla yagajala Meghalaya hagajing kop cycling. But kiwe de ki Khubor. Ngine pai mentaj ki Khubor banya. Uba penyait sing sim uba job hakani ka election chiteng samoy ka barang shula namaring neng constituency uba dei u kertong ka NPP ulapen pau ba ka jing job ka jong u ka aila di u bantri kum u MLA ka ka constituency tang shi snam saubanai minta bat kani ka long ka ba e ashishaya u ba on pen biang bat pen honlut ya baro ki jing dan kam jong ki pat ba ka constituency
Rei nak liang jo u nyale kat ba ban pe shwa yakin dan kam ki ba khmat du jong ki pat ba kamor kan constituency Hamaikan mikola pathai Khubor hadian bau la job ya ka election siteng samoi nakaba penliam yo kotong jaka seng kongres ba halan da khalmalki uba penyau long bo nya trelang bat baro ki snong ki betan hakate ke jaka hago jaka por la khot de ke jeng trelang jang pat ki kaptong ki berasa ram hakan ka election
Shisnam sobanai kanam long ka ba la lut ya baro henry ngin hapat ben bu no ki kimat ki bakam kongsan ben prioritize no ki jing tre kum ka umbam umdi kalenti singkian kasurok bersuk kalik kawan nangta kanika healthcare kanika healthcare kejongi kaba naka state government kiwe ru te bakumju ru namta ki kam nongrap ki babun bah ki nongrap ki safa bah kam tamna du menship senam bawan kanika pandemic COVID-19 ngi kwa ban pe kini bakumju ru ka kani ka jing job jongi menta kani kenti kandai baik gajing kermen namta kitu ki bedung kiba langli ki juki namta kitu kiba si bedung dan kam shisha ki jingirap nangi ku ki nomik khmat khamtam na government
ba ipan ba lalong kumung nuru ki sania ya ka NPP bat kumju ru ya PDP namarngi penyeng bro lai tali de hapo mau pelang i job i ba yujin ibadai naka partner sidoni naka yang jom ka UP but kini ke atli pe lagi job ni kawi kerja bala bat kawi kan mau ni tingi sro ngu sro burom ye ki pai ba nak kebut but yo I ya ke jing don kat jing ki bani ban nang ni chmat ni nak pau su ki kam ke jing ngin tri bahan ta jo pai ba ke jam
Kaseng National People's Party NPP kabare ka seng sinshar hapok jala Meghalaya minta ka kenti na Raja Bala constituency ru kalayo ya ka jingjop hakani ka election shiteng samoy hagaba u kertong jong ka seng u Abdul Saleh ulawan ra ya ka jingjop ya ka seng da ka ba penlim no ya u kertong ka seng Congress u kertong ka UDP ba kiwe de ki kertong shimet
hakan dikasi ba pemna ya ka result lagi ba menteri rang ba jong ka jala ubolong national president jong ka seng National People's Party ko na sangma uladan lang hakate kasni banyobot masanan lang ya kotong jong ka seng NPP.
If you look at the past history of Rajabala, since the NCP time, we have never won this seat. In the 2013 election, NPP got a mere 450 votes. In 2018, we got 4,800 votes. And this time, we had crossed 11,000 votes. So I don't term it as a close contest at all. It's a very, I should say, great response from the people. It shows the support and the pro-development work that this government is doing. And therefore, it's a clear mandate for the government. If you look at all the 3 seats and the results, in all the 3 seats, the MDA candidates have won. So it's a clear indication towards the work that the MDA government has been doing. But as you can see in this election, both the hill and the plain votes, we have been able to garner sufficient votes from both Hill as well as the Plain.
So, and the last question to the candidates, to the possible candidates. You got 1.5 years or so of tenure. What can you do for Rajabala? What are the people expecting? I mean, what is your views when it comes to
People,
development?
I will work for the Rajabala peoples. After 1.5 years only, you can ask me what I have done. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
ki laingot ki MLA ki bathmai ki brang shudep sha jet manhakane ka election chiteng samoy kita uba Panjat Singh CM uba na Mauring Kineng constituency uba Eugene Son Lingdo na Mauplang constituency but u Abdul Saleh na Rajabala constituency kila shimsmai manhakane ka santarik mentau banai na yeng 8000 arpwe ha hall jongka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly hapeng ka jingedon lang ki MLA ki dekot jongki seng ki ba kila job barukum jo ki bahaya hasem ki jongki
lapan smai ki do lampang jaka yeng do bar thawaan ba met ba ling do dagani ke jingbam smai ki ne ki armut ki MLA ki NPP ber uwe MLA ki UDP ki yeng do bar thawaan ke jilla menta kladan pura baro andrip hongot ki record kini ki MLA ki bedang shidap smai baro laingot habai krem beginang tho Khubor kila panpau ke jingsko kemen ban yo ban rung kum kinong mi khmat jaka yeng do bar bar kila kula ru ban train ka benta ka bha kam ya jang ki paj ba.
I'm very happy that I could serve the people in the constituency and the state of Meghalaya as an MLA. So we hope that this in the years to come, the remaining 1 year and 4 months which is left now in this term, I'll try my level best to bring development to the constituency and also to take part in assembly to discuss important issues relating with issues with the state government and the state as a whole, like the ILP, the border issues, and also the farmers' issues. That I want to stress that these issues are very important for our people and for our state.
I'll try my best, and the people already has seen the developmental activities of the government. Therefore, people love this government and they have voted for all these three. So that answer to I can give you after 1.5 years only. You can ask me what development I have done for my people.
So what will be your top priorities during this period of 1 year?
Top priority is that health, roads, education, lots of things. Rajabala for a long time, no Congress means ruling MLA was not there. For that thing I have to do lots of things for my people's expectation is high. Let me see how much I can do for these people.
To be honest, this wasn't the future that I had planned for myself, but God has other plans, and obviously like I've taken over this, and I want to do my best, and obviously it's a different field, but there's always a starting point for everything, and I hope the starting point would be fruitful, and hopeful that in the coming years I would see that my constituency gains a lot from me joining politics.
Will you miss the football?
Definitely, football has always been my passion. Football has always been in my blood since I was a kid. But then we grow up, and my playing career has come to an end, and I have hung up my boots, but I've put on new boots, which is here in the assembly.
How do you differentiate between football and
golf? To be on the professionalism part, I think there isn't really much difference, because in football we have a lot of discipline and we have to prepare ourselves a lot before we go into matches. So I think it's important for me also to prepare, to be disciplined when I'm looking forward to serve my best for the constituency.
Ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Jongka Jilla Meghalaya menha ka shitarik ubnai na yueng mentakas nem 8000 arpwe kalapelong ya gajing alang ban rakye kin mau burom ya gajing sedang ka District Council lani ka jingrung jong ka khnet ka bahanri ne ka 6 schedule hapo ka riti sanchar kari India.
Ia kini kerja lang la pelong pak pelau jaga Khasil Istanbul District Council hakabada don lang ru ubat Titas Khan ubarong Chief Executive Member ubat pecahan NCM ubarong Nelam Kelang Yitai ki MDC bat komjuru ki officer baginang tray jaga District Council abakran hakani kerja lang ubat pencengan oleh penpau bagian ki an jaga sarkar pedeng ki bamla setiap menteri kam hapo uput usam jaga District Council Nei namari ka dia ka bentala banyo jengmenjur na 2% yo ka India pak kani kala bu jeng e shibu ni ka district council. Hagni syau lo ong bai kini ki an. Rade ban soino ne me ajmenjur tang da ulat jong ka jela.
India tak jadi beri pasal je jam konstroi ka thangi sotu ba. Dei mai bara trai sitom borba na ka benta palwanra ya ka unit ke banriu. Haka konstitusi jong ka India. Apo kajilam jong gobinat bodoloi. Atu por pada usaman juga sub committee. Na ka benta ban discuss haji dei kumnu ban protect ya ka interest jong tribal khamta manot is India. Hanya suatu baga rukam perkar ka jong ba joy bang jitip kalau misya ka jong mentoi na ka benta jong ni renyi mak banlen bahadian bagi wanra ya ki amendment anta marin ka state hot ke bang ilayo na ka central government ila du no ka tu ka di jong mentoi pastor lo yu ijgai bah kata do bo banong bagi no ke central laws. Kimla ban apply apa uput usam jongga district council bat kum juro ban exam ya kan no ka central law ka bomyadei bat ni tang ha ka level jung governor jung state lala ban exam ya ka ndre ka jing aino ya ka bor ka power of exemption show president ka lo ka judo ka baklau.
Walaupun paru ka jeng mi jeng ki an kum ka para 12 AA bat kiwi kerana pun transfer ya ka jeng tre kam jo ka district council.
Jiwan rai ka para 12 AA. Abang bala rai tungku. An jong ka district council bat ka an jong ka state. Ka prebil jong state kanero ka di ka jeng nong yang i. Na siap ting ba ki vision ki idea ki jong yo i jong i pastor JJM ni Kolsoy. Ila spoil no kandiat. Asyik tin palang itan semari ka bor ka state. Kadon sagui ka bor pot de ka tarik sentral. Cendre la dangi ni specify kandiat di ka bor tang council. Even the central law kan nomla ban apply. Handai da kam ta ba pleasing khang ya ka state law ka pleasing khang sondon ya ka highway jong ka central law. Handai la dangi penkut no tang ha po uputusam jong ka state shidil. Nim pleasing khang ya ka state law. Ilong so powerful. Nakatawa sa kubanong ba time has come. Bahagani ka jingkan mau burom ya i pastor JJM ni Kolsroy. Ka jingkuma ka jungi kelong. Balakum nukum ban restore back. Ya ka power jong governor. Bat kum juru ban di market ya ki subject jong ka state bat jong ka district council. Kenang ba kinom sentalo kinom ban apply hani.
Karba nakaliang jong batitos khan pa ulapan pau. Ya ka jingi ijinga jong Reverend JJM de Kolsroy haka boleh rong haka committee jong constituent assembly bad ka ba pendrong ya ka schedule haka tisya jong India kada shibu ni keret pan aka te kapor baki so bakari India ka bolong kari ka bayar baka baban kibri ki bahepan ulapan pau ka jing sokhya baki don kitu ki basyong hapo secretariat ki bele ban pentron ya ka jing tetkam jong ka district council
nakawi ka por ki sedang ban kap ya ki tap yang jong ka district council. Nak kedo, wat ki sarkar jalaru, wat kita ki basyong hapo sekretariat, kiale nakapor ban pentron ya kabor juga district council. Ngakwa lembaga ni kasni kabangikan mau ya kalengku sengiap jong uni urung krau. Ngakwa ban penkan mau ya pi kum ki dekot ki badan burom jong gani ka yeng, kamtam yangi ki MDC. Ya pi ki officer bade ka judge benri hi barok away bakal ada ka por ya ka bangin yang rangba ban penpau ya la ka jong kesur bangin nang penklan
Ka Sarkar Meghalaya ka penpau bakalong ka bakloy na ka bentaban ya kren bat ka Harijan Panchayat Committee halor ka jimpin kin ria no ya ki basyong basa athemator ne Harijan colony
Ukondor ulong babaro kide banya de kalenti jong kaan barkumta ka sarkar ru ka kloy banya kren but yapen bed ban poi shikachia skotho.
So the committee today has issued a press statement in move of taking over position over the land and they've stated that they will die in their homes rather than be forcibly evicted and they will give sleepless nights to the government. What do you have to say about that?
See, everything has to be moved in a legal manner. There's nobody can go above the law. When we, I mean, of course, they are giving emotionally they are charged and they're giving statements. We are ready to talk to them. We're ready to discuss with them, and find an amicable way in which we can resolve this issue. We're very clear, as I said, that we need to find a solution to this. It's been pending too long, and it is for the first time in the history of the state that any government has taken a very strong step and a concrete step towards resolving a very long pending issue. So not easy, but we are committed to this, and we will carry everybody along. We will talk to the people. These might be some individuals who have mentioned this, but if you look at the overall community and the people living there, all are not thinking the same line.
Ukoner ulay thuru baga jingpen kendria ke basa kane ke jaka kan ya ka benta but ya ka benta la depan pen kendria ya sau pho tali ki long ye.
There are phases to this entire process. An entire process will be done in a phase-wise manner. And the first phase will be, as I said, the land ownership, and that has been done now. Second phase will be the shifting of the municipal office. Third phase will be shifting of the government employees, whether municipal or others, completely into the designated locations. And these are very good locations that they've been given. So that will be the third phase. And then finally we will go into the phase where we will find an amicable manner in which we will be able to ask the others or relocate the other people. But that is a process, as I said, we will see and move as it goes along. But the government, based on the decision of the High Powered Committee, has decided to move in this manner.
So has the second phase achieved, sir?
I'm not being able to give you the thing right now, but the process has started. As I said last time, also to you, that 40 families had already shifted who were working at the departments. The process of the others also moving will start very soon.
MP ka Rajya Sabha uba WR Kharlukhi ulapan pa uba unsara daka 0-hour notice hapo yeng dorbar Rajya Sabha na kabenta banyakran halor ka jingpin rung ya ka tin khasi ha ka khirnit ka bapra ne ka 8th schedule jong ka riti sanchar kari India ulapan pa uba unsara ya kani ha ka sin shong dorbar ka bansalong shen.
In this coming session, that I would like to bring this issue through the 0-hour discussion in the Rajya Sabha. Because at least now for 1 year, I have been MP there, and because of the situation of COVID and all this, it seems to me, I don't know to others, it seems to me it's not possible. Because what I feel is that when I bring anything in the house, at least we should get the recognition. Not like in a situation where you have to sit somewhere and then the house, like the Rajya Sabha is here and I'm sitting the Lok Sabha. So what I first thought is, at least this, I'll try to get it in a 0-hour discussion in the Rajya Sabha. Well, I would like to request the government, first within this, the House discussing the House, I'd like to request the government that at least all the states, they have got their own thing. Why not our states? Now we are almost 50 years by next year. So that is what I've tried to do. But even then, like what I've said earlier, we have discussed earlier with the RiKhasi Society. I think we have to go for another strategy also, like lobbying, so that we can really put not pressure, but at least impress upon the central government to do something for our state.
Hadin kitu ki Khubor ngenya sange shwa shipor dang yai sa bangi ngin swan phai bia shipina ka benta kini pat ki Khubor. Diaw ka NHYF batray torti u kontraktor ya ka surok PMGSY hamau care. IT u bat lakmen rimbui ya ka notification ban itho ya ka Ribhoy College kum ka People's College Grant and Aid Scheme. Online ruai ka kinhon somersault shari Europe. Raka St. Paul Higher Secondary School ya ka naam lado ha ka Ways to Art exhibition. Wanra naam usamla ya ka jala Meghalaya ha ka jingakop cycling. But kiwe de ki Khubor.
Nah, kau main tak sih?
Kam biang pi.
Beliau, pisau dia bah.
Kadau kolong ba ngampat sim ketika ya dah COVID-19 tu. Kadau ki beliau ki semua atatian tu ban ki taksi jonga.
Dia boleh pak family sim kita encik kita?
Kata kan kuat tambah semua kelumar jemut. Banlek atau online ter bas kowe kolong bangamdan teh ko phone ko biang badan ning internet.
Hentip saya. Bagi sorka kalau sedang mana etika, kalau dan kaman berupa. Pisulai bed, kadang tuang tu penyoy ka.
Syasa?
Ha, pisulai bed akan nukuno ke cakap ain jack, akan nukuno ke sini bagi ai. Dengkat bagi ID jong pi, bagi penyoy ketika ada nak kelam COVID-19. Himtan kamban le lupa akan nukuno ke registration. Yang sebenarnya ia tu ke cakap etika.
Kata ti Khubor ba baik kan yang ai to kata saya kendo mo.
Awak boleh fikir dia.
Nak kerki ban simno ketika ya da mentah ke sini. Mapipan, what I doubt you, simi ketika ya da klaim depan sub issue ekapor.
National Health Mission, Government of Meghalaya.
Pidang yai saban ngi RiKhasi channel ngin beteng bia mentai ki Khubor. Kaseng HNYF Northern Region kalapin remjur yau kontraktor badru kumju yaki officer katanat PWD halor ka jingpentrei yaka surok hakasnong mauker namar ba kilapin pau ba yakatei ka surok lapentei lingba ka scheme PMGSY kabakipat ba kila ujor halor ka jinglong jingman jong katei ka surok.
Nakaliang kaseng HNYF Northern Region hapo kejalam jong ba Marcus Martin President uba Edelbert Nongrum Secretary ba Don Roy Kshiar Assistant Secretary ringkar kinoyalam jong kamauker unit kira lidru banjurib yakatek surok kabajengai ke basau kilometer hakbra lap shishay karukom trekam kabalong torti berkabam hun kumbala angnod uba Marcus Martin kumu President ulo ong bakum kaseng kadap ta kajing sokhia kabajur halor kajing le mon ji kontraktor ban tre torti kakam klem kanu kajing pej lani khmi nakaliang ki officer jagatanat badai pej kani ka pelong ru iki scheme ki badai ban mentoy paj ba bandu lani sniu no tang shipor
nalor ba layo kakam tre torti tena yang sing sum bonong ngi peram ya kontraktor ba ye kini ki officer badai pej ya kani ka surok ba habidai bat ka SDO ni lah menong engineer juga musning subdivision uri ben peskor uri buman maror ben jurit ya kene bat ngin sabut di jingtho saya ki bagi bahalor lak benda ya no ngitip tambulong ai bak tak mak diong mak tak ino tambulong ngin hapun wan jurit sai sen ya kene banti penia ai kene ka ya surok kajing jilu bak no bat kajing riban bak no bat karkom I details hapo ki tendar ki kerja rules and regulation juga haduk ano ngintip kemalung ngi hapo ki officer ki di bukan rengkat bat ki kinong kita kinong pej perman kalian di baman tena kalian sungi imhun nomor ngi kuat ke development ngi kuat ya surok beri belum cepet ba tena yang sengi kentu tak kontraktor lu dah memla menteri de sangat no mo wanu peni ni ana kuni dak kuntai kani ni ga property cepet ba tre le yo bisa mo abam yo bisa de nai tre Kelung ta.
Kipat nong shong shnong jong ka shnong lumberhing bar lumring sai kidang yai pen ebet hitriang halor ka jingtmu ban pli ya ka wine shop harot jong ka surok ba National Highway 6 kabadon hauput usam jong ki tegi shnong.
Lasaki bah ka artari unai wing arja arpoi kipat ba kentup nadu ki longkmi ki samla shnong bar kinong yalam shnong lembar kinong yalam ki HYC nongpo circle kiralit ban persha ban play kani ka wine shop bar kila dawaru ban weng no ki jingker tin jong kani ka dukan.
Balai keren meneng hab lau no ikan katin. Saya minta damla arbalau. Ya siar sini kalau minta sini tak kemla arbalau. saya absis ni arsni te damla gi banla gi dan to par ni gi arsnang gi lasnang gi dan to par wan ni long kan thair gi dan to par kan thair ni pen chat pen pra
la ban pen kemau hang ni ba gani ka wine shop la dei trai du ba Cornelius Kharhunai ka jing persha jo ki pai ba ban play gani ka wine shop ka long ru namar ba ya ka NOC ba ailat ban play gani ka dukan la shim na ka shnong pa ha madloi ka ba ha ka rai nong khra
Dinadu ko mas dang ini persya namar ba ni snow tu ba ke jindon yung kanega wine store ne kan sa yalam bakla ki kur samla jungi kan yalam se jinjor bat kumjuru ki ban jenjar ginde ki longtungi bat ki sun ki benang rit kumba boro ula yer ki dia kata kadang yang snow ba yapil ke Khubor ki badai pej la kalong sa district administration la kalong di Khubor penyat hima di sodar berkaraj di kunju bakin perhat bahaya kan kam namar kadi ke kamyap kam im bajungi but nagaliang ke jongi la dalong ha kano ka rukom ru minom sya dalilei bakane ko wansur kan don ha kane ke jaka
kumbai ba ne wansur ba apre duhnin dan lagi buat ipat yang senang juga ni atlet senang lightly senang bagi numpriang kena kajing play wine store tega kerpa deki ba asisnon bagi khang kat ba umdon kajing pun baik bagi tena sobha namar ba in bistam ngi na yam senang kan nosin ngi mi kan nosin ni senang ne imyo tolop imyo jing siu ngi siu mi piba ni habi kam jam piba jungi kan kajing hiram juga pertai habi ino kam jam wan hanne te par khatlem yo kajing kajing piba ki baduk ba toy kum bagi dong ne nong senang ki ba imda kabla lakin nong di perkhatlem yang kata mud ba naik plishu ini kami sur nomor ba kat padon ke declaration mungkin atli likely dor chong ki napriang mud ba naik plishu ka akhnang ban lai ke jingmi tuhura
Kaskulba University of Science and Technology Meghalaya USTM kabadon ha killing baridwa kalayo asundon dakakerdan A grade na National Assessment and Accreditation Council NAAC halor ka jing trikam ka jongka bat ka jingla ban lam khmat napring ki skulba shimet halor ki rukom ai jing hikai ki jingwat bnia ka saudong ka saukun bat ka jing pinmi ya ki samla ki bapau menta la pras nam kanthi
ke standing committee jong ke NAAC ke belalong ha kalai terik kalapun benaru bakane kan ne hadu sansnem ha ke baki record ke NAAC ke badai ke nong bishar ki college bar ki school ba ha kari kala shong ru ke jialang bar vice chancellor ki clear jo kitnat puli bapher ki dean bar ki wegi ki record jo ke school ba bala pelong ru ke jingle jingo e baro kitnat puli bar ki jaka trekam jo ke school ba ha ke bala yoru banyakran bar ki noi kai ki samla puli bar ki nong trei baro na lor ke jingpet banya ki rukom trekam ha ka thup jo ke school ba haba pinpaw ke jingkemen ba ke jingso sarong halor ka khusnam ba ka school ba kala yo umahabul hok chancellor ka USTM ula pinpaw ke jingso ngoi ka sarkar Meghalaya na doki officer joktanar puli puthi ki blai ke jingkasha na ka por
I am very grateful to the state of Meghalaya because this university has been established here with the cooperation and especially the people of the locality who are always encouraging and supporting us and giving their all kinds of support, moral support, and till date there is no complaint from the local people. I am very grateful to the district administration, River district, and the people, and especially the entire team of government of Meghalaya. And I am very grateful to the officers of the state of Meghalaya, the education officers and other departments. They always, with lots of compromise, they extend all kind of support to these institutions. And therefore our university is growing up nicely.
Kani kala pulong ki record ke NAAC ban IJRO rui ka rukam trekam ka USTM ka badai ru ka sen baning kong ha ka than chete la mingi ba ka school ba shimer kan pau ba yo e ka te ka kedan ka belong ru ka jingsarong e ka school ba bro ka wei ba ki samla puli.
My message to the students of Meghalaya and parents of Meghalaya that now we have a good institution in your state, so you need not spend unnecessarily money sending your children outside the state. So please come forward, help us, support us so that we can create a global destination here so that tomorrow we can feel proud that Meghalaya University, that University of Science and Technology Meghalaya is situated in the state of Meghalaya and the global community is staying here, studying here, making their career and then spreading in the whole world.
Uba lakmen rumbui kum u menteri jong katanat ka puli ka puthi ka sarkar jila minta ka tayo lalit ban IT ya ka jing itho ya ka Ribhoi College Hakathop Jongka People's College Grant and Aid Scheme Jongka Sarkar Jilla baraka ju kapor lapan benaru ya ka jingpen scam ya ka kam jong kinong hikai bat ki kattu ka ningut ki nong tre jong ketika college ki badon hadu kumba life huwengun
Yagani ka program ban lej IT ka notification jaka sarkar jalla ya ka bala IT ho president general secretary but principal jong Ribhoi la pulong hapo ka auditorium hall jong kanika college Lawan Bansaki lang ka program do Dr. Didi Lapang Chief Advisor ka Sarkar Jalla uba badru kamu President ka Ribhoi College uba Meryl Bonds Aim MLA ka Nongpo uba Balaji Rani MDC uba SRR Baman Principal ka Ribhoi College ikong WK Bla General Secretary Nanor Kiwe Kintup Ikinohikai Kinong Tre Jaganika College bar ki khanna puli
Education is a very dynamic. What we fulfill today is just a step for in the coming days. So that's why we are trying to look at each and every corner of the state. It is not a very easy decision. It is the first government that in one sitting actual in the current meeting that we take a decision to implement the People's College scheme in 9 colleges. If you know the investment will be huge, but it's better to invest in human resources. We have to invest in the youth so that they will become the citizen who will give back to the state, give back to the community more than we invest.
Ka kinhun Roy na Jilla Meghalaya ka somersault ringka baki weipat ki kinhun na ki weipat ki Jilla hagini ki sngi ki banwan kinsale ban Roy Shakiri Hayurab
Ubakit Shang Pliang ulai thu bakiri shaka bakin late Riley tem kinlong ha Germany Switzerland but Denmark Kane ke jinglet kan kentup ru ikiwe ki kinhun Assam Kerala bar kiwe de ki benta jongkari India Ubakit ulapan pau ke jing ngok men baya ka surna RiKhasi on pinyo sngo hakiwe pat ki benta jong ka Perthai
Yes, kungu ya ka Department of Arts and Culture mo ki barawan sakman nalor ki wei pada ki breu shimet ki bangimla ban menjadi kerteng ini ki bala kiru ki lano sinyam dan rega Department of Arts and Culture ki wei nanta ka Meghalaya age ka limited ka day ka shibenta jo jing teri kam jong ka tourism department karu kala ai ya di jerap ringkat bagajing kersan na ka ICCR kumput ka Indian Council for Cultural Relations. This is the land, people. This is the land, people. This is our land. Of
Executive Member ke KHADC ubadai ru MDC ka laban mau prem uba Mitchell wan khar menha kasi palai jong ka Taiew ula play pat ba ya ka kherdop ban rong sha law so tun ha ka si lai don lang ru ki nong yalam ka snong bat ki seng ba pher
and please no ya uni umau kherdop jong ka welcome to Lausotun.
Hagani gasgi dapat ke buram ru iki kinhon berkiseng berper kibla train ke benta ka bet ke biang je kesnong ka thau. La play ru ke office tray kam je kiseng samla second hay but sports club.
But ini ki member jong ka seng ni ki Lausotun ini ki pendik bayangan ka por sa por. Mar kini ki seng ni ki bawan ban pen bon ki jingduna ki bangidan ka kesnong. But barabor ngasutunak iki kata ka pendik ke jogi pada ni menta komyu ni so. Aslam ba ngila angnut ba nginle yu ni mau kherdap ubangin welcome namar dadon haki por gi barem gabangalong kumurang ba snong kadon ka jing bakla wat ya kani ka jaka ka pasdang nang ni la thot ni kan sestre te hang ni menta ngila i plak ba kani ka thot welcome to Lauston ka bambut pan ang nado nawa shani nado kani ka wa ka bakir tawyar kani ka snong Lauston bon gi barem ki set bakla ba kani kasi di kota rang ni kamdesyo kalau sotun. Dan mentah kasni habang layo ban bu mau kedap, bat layo ban bu igi direction di baper. Kaman lagi blok. Di griu kira tip. Nomor larang kita akan lihat akan Google Map. Ngili ba ya kilap kinti kibarit barya kingdom tip. Dan tersuk ya kata ni ada penai pun di jaga. Nabu lagi plate antu banlek syaki dong di baper. Bat kunjur habang ay ya kanika wa akijungi hang ni bagi babon ki break ki onra jaklia nang ni natai ki break sini sawa bat mentang layo ban kier wat kanika wa ro de mentang kanika wa nang ni long kalalong nak kanika liang hi kalalong ko khot basuba
hadian gitu ki khubor nya sange byang sa shipor tang shibit arbit hadian ngin 15 yang shapi yai saban ni na gabenta ki nikwe pa ki khubor Raka St Paul Higher Secondary School ya ka nam lado haka Ways to Art exhibition Wanra nam usamla yagajala Meghalaya hagajing kop cycling. But kiwe de ki khubor. Piraya saban ngi ke RiKhasi channel ngin beteng mentai ki khubor ki berangsa. Komshi benta ka jing rakhi ka jing yo nyup sansnem ka jing lai luit kari India ya kabala tip kum ka azadi ka amrit mahotsav badru kum jo ka jing rakhi ka jing dap san post nem ka jing yo jilla Meghalaya nagalyang jong ka office jong ka deputy commissioner Ribhoi district ringkat bat ka Nongpo town committee manha ka laitrik mentau benai nai wing arhajar arpwe kala penlong ya ka jing penkup buram ya barok kitu kinonglum ya ki jabo ki jaban ki ba 3 months ngobha banwanra ya ka jing penkhoi bat kacing impin itenat ya ka sornong po
Hakane ka sila pelong ru ika program ika bala tip kum ka ways to arts exhibition lane ka jing penwan dori ki tiar ki bapenmi na ki bala dep penan kam kum ki plastic bat ki wei ha ka bala shimbantar ki khana school ne ki school bapher jong ka thembri boy lawan banya shimbantaru hakane ka program de kong RM korba DC kri boy district kumikong san ha ka jedan langru project director katna DRDA uba BJ Kharshandi uba M tong per EAC Uba Celestine Lingdo at the Kot Kanongpo Town Waste Management Committee bar kiwe. La samru ki khusnam shiki nong job hakane ke exhibition hakabaga St Paul's High Secondary School kalayora ekanam baningkong bar balai bar ka Alpha English High Secondary School kalayora ekanam baar.
Ba kani ka district jumi ba kite kilo ka district jumi kani ka main mo ka main kani ka gateway of the state. How about the gateway of the state? Ni pek kibri patient na ba ya ka district jami. Na do basda halo ba ndakut ba halo na boy pa sa district. They have it kani so they can do more in ang song. Kinang ketamsno. Hindi tang kani ka katong ka jami. Hindi ka rin three lang. Kumula ko bilang pasyon na may iba na po kinapasyon sa kanong kran mo beray jing kran na baka nila kam jine ko jine suba handa syong kan hakalo ko committee da syong hasin sina joni niliban sinkiay dini na makajing hoy jing suba komot ka jing sa jing kran joni iwi lang syong dia so mensikat dei habe dan lang ngi yo ang berkat Nomor baru di badan kami, di participant badan kami, all of you, pidan ke benda, hakaban penkuat pensubaya ke district joni.
Kinong trei jong katnat MEECL kila penlong ya ka jele kai cricket para nong trei jong katnat ya ka bala tip kum ka intra MEECL Day and Night Cricket Tournament 2021.
Yan ka jingla ka la pri de ba ajut khare ublong president jangka AOPE hakan ka siba pri yan ka tournament la pelong ya ka jelang haka bara penya de ba wonderful pakantain ublong ujal secretary jangka AOPE ba de ka jing pedang sobhara ai de ba baran bok khar kamni ke team ke bela kai han ka snis dang kilong ke new building cricket team persha ya ka umyam e hakan ka tournament ka bla tep kum ka day and night cricket la shimta de ke team ke ba pair ke kan top ro de ke pat ke district jong ka jalla
Hagini ki sngi ki baminta ki khna bat ki samla ka jala Meghalaya ki las dang ban pau bha ha ki binta ba pher jong ka sports nado ka football ki jing mare ki jing kilan met bat ki we de
Hagini ka kinti ka baminta usamla McDonald nong klau ukhun jing iba soi khar umnut bari kong shila nong klau nakashnong laimer lom pedeng opushlong ulawanra na me ka jala Meghalaya Hakabola won haka kerdan basau haka 18th Sub Junior National Mountain Bike Championship kabla long nado ka arpukandai terik hado ka laipoi terik urisau arja arpoi ha alandi Pune ya kabla pelong the Cycling Association of Maharashtra Usamla McDonald ulas dangi ka jele akai cycling nado ka snam arja kharkandai bola le jele akai ru shabar ka jala kumsha Assam bar Arunachal Pradesh Dak jing tre shitam ulayo banla yeshim benta hakane ka national level jong Jacob nya cycle ringkat bat prangut ki weide ki ba mi khamat ya jala Meghalaya
Tela stang ya ni ka cycling adu sinam arja kat khandai ba ya shibun ki experience te kijing experience janga kidi ha ko ma di ka shabar
hey shabar warna kai
shabar warna kai ha Assam Arunachal bat tawang.
Mana kani fian nak kasih?
Awan siapa Pune national level. Awan haka ngalek kaya ke under 18 category. Awan foot position. Kani jing nak kaya jama kedai time trial, kick out time trial, XCO cross country.
McDonald ulay thu ik jing ki bola yakendu akani ke Jacob bar kumno ulala ban poi chikathong.
Dan ni nak kaya jonga cycling kalau expensive ba long ngamla ban afford aku kapo pengadakan nasional aku abang trish tom de akajing bambiang ka cycle dengan ngamla aku pengadakan ka first lap kadang lap bang lead the second lap tengah get flat kita ya cuba cycle terpeng mare bahan poisa ka ending point ading kata ngasi si jingerap naki bali lang ban ikila ya raban pensina cycle ta siap continue yang karis
sapoi saktam
sapoi haka foot position
Ulai Khublai ru eka Meghalaya Cycling Association badia baro kibla kirshan bat lamlen Taiew ban poi shikajing job
Khublai shibun ai ba lening bare ibala elam yangi sapo ban poi shati sajaka legai te ningkong eng ai Khublai yaka position baro panu kirshan bingin job ban indila ka shati
Shwabangin pinkut ngin pinsgo biang shapi yaki panggi bakong san sa shisian. Shisnam saubanai om laban pin biang lut yaki jingdan kam kipat ba ong uba penyat. Job kaseng NPP na Raja Bala constituency. Shimsmai ki laingut ki MLA ki badang shu job hakani ke election shiteng samoy. Ka kirnit ka bahin rio jong ka riti senchar kari India kalayada yaki ritpat pinpa u CEM. Diaw ka NHYF battery torti u kontraktor ya ka surok PMGSY hamau care. IT u ba lakmen rimbui ya ka notification ban ito ya ka Ribhoy College kum ka People's College Grant and Aid Scheme. Online ruai ka kinhon somersault shari Europe. Ra ka St. Paul Higher Secondary School ya ka nam lado ha ka Ways to Art Exhibition. Wanra nam usamla yakajala Meghalaya hakajing kop cycling. But kiwe degi Khubor. Dakitungin pun kot noi kini katup Khubor kini Taiew minta ngin sia syambiang bat pibaro hakatai kuwe pat Taiew kabanwan. Kublai pibaro bat yaso.